The job was completed before what we've agreed in the contract, so it was completed ahead of the completion date that we've agreed. The communication with Daniel was excellent. He's very responsive. He always either answers the phone or calls me back very quickly if there's any issues, and I call him. Very responsive on emails. He also uses an online platform. That platform is a place where he shows all the documents. It's all very transparent. It's easy to keep track of what's happening. He puts all the bills in there, all the invoices that he receives and needs a reimbursing for, and also any issues that he identifies or any issues that I as a client might have. There's a place online where we can discuss it, and it's very efficient. Daniel's got all the paperwork in place. As a customer, as a professional landlord, I do check that with the people I work with. So he's had proper insurance. And everything was done above board and legally. Daniel to do the same, so I was really happy with the level of detail and the quality of the finish that we've achieved, as you can see in the background here. The refurbishment of this house where we're sat right now was a third project that we've completed with Daniel in the space of 2 years, and I can certainly say that I'm looking forward to doing more projects with Daniel, so I would have no hesitations in recommending Daniel at all.